Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 2 Super Minds Workbook on page 70 to 71. We are on Unit 6, The Old House. Activity 1, write the words. So based on these pictures here, you need to identify. So maybe this is in the hall. So you may refer to student's book. So number 1, this is in the hall. And number 2, this is in the bedroom. So bedroom. And then number 3, this is in the bathroom. So BATH. Bathroom. And then we have this one at the kitchen. KITCHEN. So maybe some pupils will write as chicken. So this is not the case. So maybe the sound looks similar. So kitchen and chicken is not the same. So remember this. And then we have number 5. So this is sofa. So this is in the living room. So living room. So for this room, there's a spacing here. This bedroom doesn't have spacing. And then this is also. And then number 6. So we have this one, cellar. 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 And then we have this one, dining room. So maybe you go to McDonald's before, it stated you want to take away or dine in. So this is dining room. DINING. And then we have a spacing here, room. And this one, stairs. So remember this one is old-fashioned house or old house. So this is stairs. Maybe your house is modern. So this is old house. Stairs. So with a S here. And then we go to activity 2. Activity 2, choose a room, write and draw. So maybe I maximize it a bit. So this is me in my living room. So maybe you can draw yourself, but this is the suggested drawing. So maybe later I will paste it here. So this is a more simpler drawing. Maybe you can draw yourself. So this one, this is obviously this is a bedroom. So you may write it as, we have no space here. So maybe, so you can say this is my bedroom. Okay, so next we go to page 71. So 71, you will need to play audio in order to do it. So this is CD number 2, track 39, listen and circle. So later I will play the audio. So make sure you listen carefully. So we go to number 1 first.
Workbook, page 71. 1. Listen and circle.
1.
There's a frog on the piano.
2.
There's one butterfly on the flower.
3.
There are 3 bananas in the lunchbox.
4.
There are 4 apples in the tree.
5.
There's a lizard on the log.
6.
There's a football on the TV.
'So maybe this one confuse you. So this is dog, this is log, L-O-G. And then this is on the TV. This is beside TV. So we look at activity 2 here again. So look at the pictures in activity 1. Circle the words. So already given answer number 1. There is a frog on the piano. So if you notice carefully, so this is a frog. So this apostrophe S, meaning if written in full, it is IS. There is a frog. And we go to, whenever we have this so we will use apostrophe S after the there word here. So this is basically the auxiliary verb in grammar. And then we have number 2, 3 butterflies. So this is not applicable. So we will choose this one, which is bold in color, in the black color. So bold. So there are 3 butterflies on the flower. And then number 3, 3 bananas in the lunch box. So this is also there are. And then we have number 4, so 3 apples on the tree. There are. And number 5, a lizard. So we choose this one. There is. Okay. And then we have number 6 here. So a football. So there is. So remember, maybe you learn a new word here, L-O-G, log, and as opposed to dog, D-O-G. So that's it for today. So this is Year 2, Super Minds Workbook on page 70 to 71. So that's it for today. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can consume the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link, you can click it. You can join my Telegram bot for free.